Class 5 Environmental Studies Part 1 Lesson number 23 Infectious Diseases and How to Prevent Them. Now we are going to see about the next point, that is spread of disease through food. As you have seen, spread of disease through air and water, in the same way we will go through the spread of the disease through food. You may have heard of a number of people getting gastro or diarrhea after eating contaminated food at a function. Disease spread through food also. This is also called food poisoning. Now students, many of the time you will have heard the number of people getting gastro. What is meant by gastro? Gastro is also one type of acidity, if you all get to know. Okay, one type of acidity or diarrhea after eating contaminated food at functions. We go at certain place for function and we eat food, but the spread of disease on that food is called the food poisoning. The food at the function, they keep it open. Okay, so disease in the air get on the food and sometimes we get food poisoning. You have seen flies sitting on dirt. When they sit on the faces of a person who has any essential disease, the germs of the disease stick to their legs. When the same flies sit on our food, the germs enter the food. If we eat the food, the germs enter our body and we can get the disease. That is why it is important to always keep our food covered. Sometimes on the roadside area we see many of these stalls, right? And also flies are getting gathered over there. Okay, but that flies, where they come from, they usually sit on the dirt, and the same flies, they go and sit on the food which has been uncovered at the stall. That food is also very unhygienic, so always see that the food has been covered and you also eat the covered food always. If you all eat that food, you all will get initial disease, that is diarrhea, and various diseases can occur. Now food is handled while preparing or serving it. If someone who has an initial disease handles or services food without washing his hands properly, the germs sticking to his hand can enter the food. Now sometimes as you all go in the hotel, you all can see that many of the waiters, they serve the food for us. But always take care whether their hands are been cleaned, because some of them, they use the dirty hands. How come we'll come to know that germs have been stuck to his hands? So always take care when you all go in hotel. Always use the sanitizer before eating the food, or you all can do the hand wash. Now keeping the food covered ensures that flies cannot sit on it. Dust or other rubbish in the surrounding also cannot enter it. Now not only the flies can sit and make the food unhygienic, also the dust and the rubbish things from the roadside area can also settle on the food which has been uncovered. So always take care of this. Now next, spread of disease by insects. You may be aware that one can get malaria from the bite of a certain kind of mosquito. When this type of mosquito bites someone who has malaria, the malaria germs in that person's blood enter the mosquito's body with the blood it sucks. If the mosquito bites another person, the malaria germs enter the person's body too, and he too can get malaria. Insects like mosquitoes and fleas spread through disease. That is why we must stop such insects from breeding. Now, also the disease is spread by the insects. How it is spreads? Now suppose one mosquito, he bites us, right? The same mosquito sits on the another person's around us. Now suppose we are having malaria. If that mosquito, he sucks the blood from our body, right? He can go and sit on the other person's body, means he can also get affected. Means always take care that stay away from this mosquito. Various diseases like malaria, dengue can occur due to these mosquitoes. Not only the mosquitoes, some of the insects which do breeding, we should stop breeding because it is very dangerous for our health. In this way, the spread of disease comes through insects. Now next, spread of disease by direct contact. Ringworm, scabies are diseases that affect the skin. Their germs are found on the skin. If someone else comes into contact with the skin of a person having this disease or wear his clothes, then that person can get the skin disease too. That is why it is better to avoid sharing clothes. Now, some of the time, the spread of disease can also come to the direct contact. As per various ringworms, scabies, okay, these are the disease which gets our skin affected. Sometimes we wear other person's clothes, right? We share our clothes. We shall not do this, because if some problem is been there for that person, we shall not get the same problem. So always take care. You should not share the clothes. The germs from that clothes can also be affect our body. In same way, you'll have to take care of your health. So this is what we have seen about the spread of disease through food, the spread of disease by insects, and the spread of disease by the direct contact, which is affected through our skin. Thank you.